Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. In this edition we look at removing the executor or administrator of an estate. The executor of the estate is the one who carries out the terms of the will. If there's no will, that person is the administrator. And to become an administrator, usually you have to get the other family members to sign a renunciation saying they're not going to insist upon being the administrator. Sometimes though, the executor doesn't do their job. Sometimes a year, 2 years go by, no one's gotten their money, the house isn't sold, nothing's done, the executor doesn't communicate to people. If someone's not happy with the way the executor is doing their business, then there's a complaint can be filed in the Superior Court to compel the executor to do certain things. For example, if there's a house, compel the executor to sell the house. Sometimes the executor or their family members living in the house. So, compel the people living in a house to pay rent, compel them to get out, compel the house to be sold, compel the executor to provide an accounting, either a formal accounting or informal accounting. And if it's very serious, you can ask that the court remove the executor and bar the executor from taking a commission. In New Jersey, the executors under the statute can get 5% of the first $200,000 and then 3.5% of the amount between $200,000 and $1 million. So that commission sometimes adds up to a lot of money for someone who hasn't been doing their job. The court can also bar the executor from spending further estate funds and possibly even appoint someone else to be the temporary administrator of the estate. So if you have a belief the executor isn't doing their job, it's a good idea to schedule a consult with an attorney. I'd say good attorneys are not inexpensive, and good attorneys typically don't give free consults. You got to be willing to spend time for a consult to figure out if you have a case. It's not like a personal injury case. So you contact the attorney, try to sit down with them, otherwise at least fill out their interview forms and discuss what can be done and how soon it can be done. For other information on removing the executor of an estate or compelling the executor to do their job, visit the website of njlaws.com, that's njlaws.com, or retain the laws of Kenneth Vercammen at 732-572-0500. Thank you and good luck.